Hello everyone, welcome to Singapore Healthcare AI Datathon 2021. This tutorial will demonstrate how to use Huawei Cloud resources for your Datathon experience. This tutorial is brought to you by Jian Geng, a student and professional from Menglin from the South Street School of Public Health, National University of Singapore. Here are three components of Huawei Cloud that you may be using in your Datathon experience. The first one is Elastic Cloud Server, or ECS, which is the remote CPU or GPU server as free computational power. The second one is Relational Database Service, or RDS, which houses the EHR databases. The last one is the Objective Storage Service, or OBS, which stores the medical image datasets we have prepared for this Datathon. Let's firstly learn how to log into ECS. To log into ECS, you need to tap SSH root at your ECS EIP in your own laptop terminal. The password and the EIP address will be given to team leader via Microsoft Teams. After logging into ECS server, you need to firstly type command conda activate TF1 in ECS terminal to activate default virtual environment. We have already installed some package in the virtual environment, such as PyTorch 1.7.1, TensorFlow 2.0.0. You are free to install more packages that you need. To be convenient, we recommend all of your team members to use Jupyter Lab in your own laptop. To start Jupyter Lab, you need to select one of your team member to run tmux in ECS terminal. Then he can enter tmux session. After that, he needs to run command conda activate tf1 to activate virtual environment in tmux session. After that, he needs to run Jupyter Lab --no -browser --allow -root to start Jupyter Lab server. It will take 3 or 5 seconds to start Jupyter server. After that, all of your team members need to follow the second steps. You need to run /f-l8888 localhost 888 root at your ECS EIP-n in your own laptop's terminal. If one of your team members' laptop terminal's port 888 is occupied, you need to discuss to choose other port such as 8123 to fit all of your team members. Then you can go to your own laptop's browser such as Chrome or Microsoft, type URL localhost 888 to enter Jupyter Lab. After you already finish the previous steps, you can show this package in your own browser. In the left, you can show the folder we provide in your own ECS servers. In the right is the launcher. In the Jupyter Lab, you can select the Python 3 to start the notebook for Python 3 or R Jupyter or R notebook for running R program language. And there are other functions such as create new launcher, create new folder, or upload your own laptop file to ECS server via JupyterLab. Then, let me introduce the RDS. The RDS is the server which houses the EHR databases. We have installed 2 EHR databases this year, Mimic 4 and EICU. To be noted, the team name and the password for RDS is different from those for ECS. The password and team name will be given to team leader via Microsoft Teams, which is the same as ECS. There are 2 methods to connect RDS. The first one is use the JupyterLab. We have already provided the examples in the tutorials folder. You can go to the tutorial folder of your own ECS server and change root to your own team name, such as team 06, and change the QW123456 to your own team password. The other method to connect RDS is use the PG admin in your own laptop. You need to firstly download the PG admin software in your own laptop and then choose to create a new server. After that, you can follow the steps we have shown you in this slide. Here is the example we have provided you to red circle in the PG admin. You can choose the database you want to use, such as EICU or Mimic 4 in the red. You can also export the results you extract from the database to your local laptop in ECSE format by clicking the download button. Okay, let's come to the final components, Objective Storage Service. We have used the Objective Storage Service to store all of the medical image datasets we have prepared for this year's Datathon. To download the image dataset from the OBS, you need to come back to ECS terminal and run obs obsu2 ls obs -nus to list all image datasets. Then you can choose one of the datasets you need to run command obsu2 cp obs-nus the image dataset name to download image dataset. Here are another method to download the image dataset from OBS is to use the JupyterLab. We already provided the examples in the tutorial notebook, so you can follow the example we have provided you to easily download the image dataset. That's all. Thank you for your time and hope you can enjoy your Datathon.